Welcome to the All Things UK edition of NPEtv. You might want to go grab your brolly because we're about to make it rain.
Oh yeah!
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so that's why we're giving you a healthy serving of our latest segment, Nettrition. Today's recipe is from NPE UK Director Ben Davis. He shows us that stacks can mean more than just money.
Ben Davis here, and I'm in my kitchen to bring you the world famous paleo pancakes recipe, which is really just paleo scrambled eggs. Every time Sean and Tom come to England, this is what they request for breakfast. So just have a look over here. These are the ingredients. Got some one banana, a handful of raisins, some blueberries, some almond butter, and then some coconut oil and some eggs. So what I do is I just put a dollop of coconut oil in the pan, and then I add the ingredients just here. Just throw it all in, the banana, the raisins, the blueberries, and then the almond butter. I let that sit for a little bit, and then I just add a couple of eggs depending on how many I'm cooking for. And it takes no longer than 3-4 minutes to do this. And it's a good nutritious breakfast or snack to have after training. Now just mix in everything. So completed in under 3 minutes, some kiwi to garnish it. We've got the eggs in there, the banana, the blueberries, the raisin, the almond butter. It's a great way to start the day. So whenever you're in Sussex next, stop by my house and I'll rustle you up some paleo pancakes.
Number 5.
EA members Nick Ray and Bryce Baracco added 11 new clients in June with a 100% close rate.
Number 4.
VIP Glenn Hansen celebrated his first month reaching 50K in revenues.
Number 3.
From coach to cash, VIP members Tom Jacobs and his GM Cassandra Gaudet had their ribbon cutting at their new facility with 15 new clients in June and an average ticket of $1,122.
Number 2.
Paul Lingso had his best month in June, $8,000 in cash with 32 clients on reoccurring payments now. VIP, easy as 1, 2, 3.
Number 1.
EA member Gavin Jennings, the director for Czech Europe, serving all Czech practitioners in the UK, gave AutoCloser a go-round, converting 3 consultations into over £7,000 in sales for 1 week. Talk about a checklist. This episode is brought to you by Premier Training. Stretch yourself and your career with Premier.
Premier Training International, the UK's leading health and fitness education provider. We celebrated our 20th year anniversary last year. We've helped over 15,000 people enter into careers within the health and fitness industry. Our main course, or our most popular course, is our Diploma in Personal Training. It's a 6-week course that can be done in a number of different locations around the UK. If you're looking to get started within the fitness industry, or if you're looking to progress your skills and do one of our further CPD courses, then you can either get in contact with one of our course advisor team, or you could visit one of our local venues and meet up with one of our representatives who can talk you through in an open day, start to talk about your different options.
I really look forward to seeing and meeting many of you at our mega training events. UK is kicking off theirs September 19th to the 21st, and Pete Cohen is the keynote speaker. As a motivational speaker, life coach, and author, Pete is sure to bring his best to encourage you to achieve yours. From the US to the UK, we know how to represent. I'm Amanda Salas, and NPEtv is what it is because you at home are achieving your goals and fulfilling your dreams. Cheers.